But anyone can't follow this now.
Then if you don't follow this is your fault. But if I talk about this,
For a student, then that's
You
why
go
I'm
library
telling.
and look.
For a student, this is not good.
How many students
For a
scrolling?
student,
Only
this is
read.
not.
Just 1 minute. Listen my word. Means how many students uses phone?
Everyone.
Everyone uses phone. And how many students they have got subscription like somewhere else like Gyan Bindu
I have
Khan.
subscription.
Okay, you and means like how many percent?
If you look percentage, more than 60% students are.
Okay, 70%.
You are wrong. You are wrong here.
They downloaded also
No, no.
million, 2 million, 3 million like
Means
this.
only means for downloading.
Okay.
They download. Okay, but they don't
Like
use in a good way.
80% have
Okay. Means for a
80%
student that is not important. Only means downloading is not important.
According to
If
your
no.
Bro,
Means
listen
here
to me.
students means what they do means after installing those all means apps means they use in bad way.
Then
Means
they
that
will
is
say, this is my faulty.
that is not good. If you do that type of work and we means you are a student, then means if you get get failure in your life, then you will say that means I have got failure in my life, means what will I do and what will I
Bro,
not
you
do.
can't say
Means
because of phone
you can say
can
like
get-
this, you can say like this, but you will not look means yourself that what you have done means for your study. And if you have done like this work, then you can never means get profit. And if you means don't get profit, then how can you get success in your life?
Bro, if you
So-
talk about profit and loss, then you can do trading by the help of phone.
Yes.
And with the help of trading,
No,
now
I'm
there's a lot
not
of person are earning money.
I'm not
If you will
talking
start to
about
earn money,
trading.
then you will
I'm
divert
not
to your
talking about
education.
trading.
And here
I
we
am
have to
talking
learn that
for a students why this is
We are getting
important. For a
education for
students
earning money in future.
means for a students this is not important. Means have you listened ever that means many of the scholars why they became a scholar? Why they became? They have phone. They have phone that time.
Bro, on that
No,
time, on that time,
they have no
was not
phone, and
available.
they have means they have avoided those all things which are means which are barrier for them. Means they have avoid that things, and after avoiding that things they have become means they had become means a scholar of this world, and means till now no one is such means that can means still reach that person means who are the scholars of this
Bro.
age.
Do you know about Elon Musk?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
You are talking about if
But that person is not a scholar. That person is not a scholar.
After that we have to you are talking about distraction. On that time he was getting education. On that time he makes a lot of app and he was still on that time. And after that he
But-
start their company. On that time at their home a computer was available. If you look his interview, then you realize. And do you know for looking their interview phone is needed.
Can you become like a Elon Musk?
Bro, I don't
course, why
want
not?
to. I don't want to become like Elon Musk because my thought is different. I want to do work in different area.
Okay, just before some time you have told that 60% students have installed means get subscription.
Yeah.
Means 80% people have got subscription. Then you tell how many percent people they get success. How many percent? Few are like 5 to 7%. Otherwise 60 to 75% people they lost their lives.
Listen, I want to explain and look
Listen,
this is
please.
a water bottle. If I follow this water bottle in a gutter, whom is fault here? Who is fault here?
You will
Who is
fall.
faulty here?
You will faulty.
This is a not.
You will faulty.
You will
fall
fall
there.
there.
I
You are
will,
faulty.
You are faulty.
1 minute. And you have said to me, I am fault here.
अरे I am faulty here.
I am faulty here.
Faulty, fault दोनों word use होता है.
इट्स योर फॉल्ट, आई एम फॉल्टी, ऐसा बोलना है.
You have said to me, I am faulty. Similarly, mobile is non-living thing. You use. So you are using in a long way. Then it's your merit, not the merit of mobile. So similarly, you are using in a long way, and you are telling, and mobile has faulty.
Mobile has fault.
Mobile has fault.
Look, I mean to say that means 95% students have phone, and here it's a debating that phone is important, especially for a student or not. That's why I'm talking. And look, 95 means 90% students have phone. It's good.
Yeah.
And in 90% students, every students they use phone. And in 90%, like 5 to 10% students they get success in their life.
Bro,
Otherwise
everyone can't
85 to 90%
Not everyone gets
rest
success, bro.
their life.
Everybody support that.
Brother, this is a demerit of a student. This is a not demerit of mobile.
Then
So
I told
it's
you now.
your
Then
fault.
this one is the distraction of. This one is the tool of distraction.
No, brother. And
but
you
this
are
one
not
is also
mature from
the part of
mentality,
the-
and you will use in a long way. How can you tell? And this is a fault of mobile.
After getting success, you use phone.
But you are looking that mobile is very important. We know that I have no mobile. That's why I'm not talk my home. I'm not talking. I not talk. I can't talk my family. I can't contact my friend. That time I have got lots of mistake because of I have no phone. I even suppose one day and 2 days I can't eat something. Because suppose that you are becoming a poor.
So what
but
happened if
but
you are
but
not
you
able
have
to
but
find
you
it?
listen.
Okay.
First listen.
Listen carefully.
Now you are becoming poor. But you have no money. Then if you want to correct higher examination, then how will correct? But you are looking at our society. Lots of people there are poor. But for all that they are becoming, they become poor. They're very poor. Why? Because they're not educated person. Why? But
They are not educated.
they are not educated. But suppose that they have mobile, then they can study proper way. Also you are looking at lots of they UPSC correct by mobile. You are listen that
It's not
Let me speak. But if you realize that phone is important, you realize na?
yeah, phone is very important.
You not talk with your parents. Then buy a keypad phone. In 400 and 500 rupees,
But-
it will be provided. Buy a keypad phone. Here it is talking about a smartphone phone.
How can you?
It is a tool of distraction. If you have no phone, then buy a keypad phone.
but
I'm
you-
not talking about. I'm not talking.
now-
Here it is talking about the smartphone. Buy a keypad phone. You cannot divert somewhere else. Then if you have no phone, then
But
buy
I
a
have
phone.
suppose that I
What type of
also
country you want to make like Afghanistan, otherwise like China? China has most powerful developed in technology
Yeah.
because of what?
Technology.
After leaving his flat, listen, please.
If any country will start to fight with China, then China will means in his hand there is a gadget. He will click on that time a fire will start. And like this country you want, otherwise like Afghanistan. After going means in front of person he will kill. Like what type of technology you want?
Okay,
to develop?
means you cannot compare to China to China.
Here
India.
and
Look,
here.
They use a smartphone. They use a smartphone like gadget. Then look, they use means like a right way. And look, here means maximum. Look, maximum.
in the right way.
99.9% people they are becoming dancers. They are becoming dancers.
about
Instagram,
you.
Facebook,
Listen,
Facebook,
you.
YouTube, then it will be scrolled.
In your family, how much percent they use Instagram? In your family, how much percent they use Instagram?
No one uses
No one
Instagram.
uses.
No.
Then how you know about it?
But
How you know about it?
Yes, this is happening and we are looking in our society. We are living in our society.
Aman bhai, 1 minute.
Okay.
just before
just a
some,
second.
who told that means if means in villages area the girls who could not means get education like higher education, then it provide phone. Who told? You told. Then look, in 90 means if a parent is providing phone, means girl is misusing phone, then they are using like Instagram, Facebook, and if a boy is messaging her, they are
If I will give opportunity
they
to
did
you.
not look
Hello.
that like
If I will
out
give
of
opportunity
area.
to you,
But
then you
means after using phone, after using like Instagram, Facebook, they are looking that
do
here
you
a
know
lot
one
of
thing?
tools
Do you know
they
that I can operate your phone by
Nowadays, many type of matter is going on in our country, and how can you know about that matter? And you know, sometimes our teacher asks with you, and which type of matter is going on in our radio. Can you reply my question? Anyone?
Only a single member has to answer, please.
I replied you. If
Okay,
you
listen,
want
listen.
to know each and everything, then buy it. It needs to provide newspaper. Through newspaper you can know.
He don't know. He doesn't know how to write.
Everything is provided. No.
Please try to listen, please, everybody. Listen, please, everybody. No, please, listen, please.